Hello viewers, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. Rara. Today we are going to discuss about important indexes, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, SnP500, Russell, and precious commodities gold and silver. Friends, if you have seen my videos, you can see here from last couple of months we are saying that market will go up. You can see 2 months back we said upside to be continued in the market. All videos having a green thumbnails which says that market wants to go up. So what's the next? So let's go ahead and start our analysis. Before we start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit this bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos which I make on this channel on timely manner. First, let's go ahead and see the economic calendar. You can see here Jan 31st, important event is coming, Fed interest rate decision, Fed press conference, and then on Friday, Feb 2nd, we have unemployment data coming, and then Feb 13 means after 15 to 17 days, you are going to get the inflation data. So two big events are lined up. First is interest rate decision coming on 31st March, 31st Jan, and Feb 13 inflation data. So without wasting our time, let's go ahead and do the weekly analysis of all the indexes. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the analysis of Nasdaq 100. I have already plotted my levels. Let's try to understand what are the possibilities in the market. Okay, so this is the day chart. Let me hide the drawing first. Let's try to understand the candles. So you can see here, this was a breakout here. It was given on Friday and then market went up from there. And then market is trying to consolidate. Right now, I think market wants to give a healthy pullback. Healthy pullback means after giving this big up move, you can see here this big up move, the price range. You can see after this bottom market gave the up move of almost 8%, right? So after giving the up move of 8%, market might give some pullback. So what would be the pullback, right? And why we are saying the pullback? Because you can see here, this is an inverted hammer pattern. This inverted hammer pattern on Wednesday, then Thursday, and then Friday continuation of the red candle, right? These three patterns, 3 days pattern says me that market is exhausted now, or you can say the Nasdaq 100. If you see the weekly time frame, weekly also says that after this upside of 17,800, there was a drop of 300 points, means the sellers were in a power than the buyers. So let's talk about the targets for the downside and the upside. And let me unhide the drawing. Okay, so this says that we can see the downside if we stay below 17,550, then 17,400 and 17,325 is possible. So this is the uh, short-term lower targets. When when one can buy into the market, the buying will happen only if we continuously sustain above 17,550. So you can see here after a breakout, this consolidation happened, and then the market is moving in this channel. So once we start studying and sustaining above 17,550, then we have the two targets. First is 17,700, second is 17,850. These are the two short-term upside target. These are the two short-term upside targets. And the lower targets are if we stay below 17,550, then 17,400 and 17,312. These are the two downside targets. And I think market needs some correction after this major upside. If we get this kind of correction, then that will be always helpful for the market to advance further. So this was about Nasdaq 100. Now let's go ahead and start the analysis for the Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, you can see here, Dow Jones. Okay, so this is the Dow Jones day chart. Reset the price scale. Dow Jones has given a healthy breakout, and you can see here in the long-term charts, after this major consolidation, it gave a breakout, but that breakout is not that big. Okay, so we need to watch here. So as per me, or as per my analysis, it looks like, let's convert it into the 4-hour chart to understand better. So these are the levels, right? For the Dow Jones, Dow Jones has the support area between 37,800 to 38,000. This is the support area, and currently it is trading in this box. Now, this can be called as a box breakout if it managed to stay above 38,250, right? So this is the high point, right? 38,250. If it managed to stay above this 38,250 and continuously stay above it, then first target is 38,500, 38,800, and 39,000. These are the three upside targets for Dow Jones. And let's see if if it goes down, then where it can go come. So let's see that clear. To clear the drawings. Okay. So for the lower targets, just a moment. Yeah. So for the lower targets, okay, I have not defined the lower targets here. Let's quickly define the lower targets. Yeah. So if it, yeah. So here, this is the channel, right? If on this channel, if it doesn't sustain about 38,250, then again it can go down toward the channel bottom at 38,000. And then if it stays below this channel bottom, then it can come towards 37,800, and then next target is coming around 37,600, right? This is the next target, and then second target is coming around 37,450. So these are the downside targets. So remember, the selling will happen only below 37,800 for these two targets. Right now, currently, it is above the uh, resistance level, so the probability to go up is more. So this was about Dow Jones. Then let's talk about S&P 500. S&P 500. S&P 500, you can see this. This is the clear pattern for S&P 500. So it has also given a very nice breakout, but I think if Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones consolidates, then this will also do a consolidation. It might come back towards 4850 level. And here it's an important point to understand, if market stays here, again consolidates and make its new all-time high of 5,000 and 5,150. If it doesn't stay here, 4850, and starts going down, if Dow Jones and Nasdaq is going down, then it might go and do a profit booking till 4730 and 4650. So these are the downside level for S&P S&P 500. Now we will talk about Russell. Russell is in the same trading zone, the way we discussed in the last weekend outlook. You can see here for S&P 500, for Russell 2000, you can see here, currently it is trading in this important area, right? It needs to come out of this area, this important area, these two black lines, the first one and this is second one. So currently it is trading in this range, 1950 to 2040. It needs to break this range either to the upside or to the downside. Okay, so let's talk about downside. If it breaks 1950 and stay below it, then the first target is 1905, second target is 1865. If it breaks 2045, then the first target 2130, then 2200 and 2250. So this is currently in the box. So it's stuck in the box. So we need to wait for this to come out of the box. So this was all about the indexes today. Now we are going to talk about gold and silver very quickly. Gold is making higher lows day by day. Gold has the support at $2,000. So we will wait. If it respect this $2,000 and then starts going up again, then 2050 is the resistance area. 2050 and 2100, these are the two upside levels. If it stays above 2000, then 2025. If it breaks 2100, then it is going to give a major breakouts. So currently gold is wait and watch mode. You can see here right now the US market has opened, futures are opened. Already we can see that uh, as we are recording right now, you can see here uh, Nasdaq 100 is already opened with the gap down levels. You can see here right now it is opened up with a gap down of 50 points. So this is a perfect example that whatever we analyzed market is showing some weakness. Okay, and then this is the silver. For the silver, you can see here silver is showing some kind of relief rally, right? Because we said that silver has a very important support around 22.25 to $22. It went below, tried to went below that and again pushed up. Now silver is trading at 23. If it sustained, then definitely 23.50, 24, 24.50 are the targets. And if it again breaks below 22.25, then 21.75 and 21.25 are the targets. Friends, try to understand whatever levels I mentioned in this video. Try to do your own analysis and understand the price action. It will definitely help you to take your trading and investment decision. Last but not least, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos. And let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. You have a good one.